Hello students, today we are going to learn about the graphs of statistical data. Okay, suppose see here we have two types of graphs. First one is less than cumulative frequency curve. Second one greater than cumulative frequency curve. Right? So to draw these two curves, first we need to find the distributions. So we have two types of distributions again. One is less than cumulative frequency distribution and the other one is greater than cumulative frequency distribution. First one, less than cumulative frequency distribution. Second one is greater than cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so to find these two, we need to find lower boundaries and upper boundaries. And also we have to find LCF and GCF. What is LCF? Less than cumulative frequency, and GCF is greater than cumulative frequency. Right? To draw the graphs, we must find less than cumulative frequency curve, greater than cumulative frequency curve, less than cumulative frequency distribution, greater than cumulative frequency distribution, lower boundaries and upper boundaries, and also we have to find less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. Okay. Before going to start to draw the graphs, we need to find the distribution tables. So what are distribution tables? We have two types of distribution tables. Those are less than cumulative frequency distribution and greater than cumulative frequency distribution, LCFD and GCFD. LCFD is less than cumulative frequency distribution. GCFD is greater than cumulative frequency distribution. Right? Now, to draw the less than cumulative frequency distribution, we must find upper boundaries. So what are the upper boundaries here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These are the upper boundaries. Okay? Upper boundaries are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Right? Now we have to find the less than cumulative frequency distribution. So how to find the less than cumulative frequency distribution? Cumulative frequency. So you write the values. Already we found the values how to find these values, these cumulative frequency distributions. Right? So cumulative frequency LCF. Right? LCF is first you write 5 frequency. Next add these two, 5 plus 8, 13. Next 13 plus 13, 13 plus 13, 26. 26 plus 12, 38. 38 plus 9, 47. 47 plus 3, 50. So this is less than cumulative frequency. Next one, we have to find greater than cumulative frequency distribution. To find this distribution, we must find lower boundaries. What are the lower boundaries here? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. This is lower boundaries. Lower boundaries. Next one, GCF. GCF. To find easily of GCF, you must write the values from bottom to up. Okay. Now you write 3 as it is here. 3 as it is. So 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9. 12. You write like this, then you will get easily. 12 plus 12. 24. 24 plus 13. 37. 37 plus 8. 45. 45 plus 5. 50. Right? So, this table represents upper boundaries and less than cumulative frequency. These two represents LCFD and lower boundaries and GCF represents GCFD. Okay? Now, we have to draw the graphs against these values. Okay? Now, to draw this graph, we have to take the boundaries on x-axis and frequencies on y-axis. Boundaries are limits. Boundaries on x-axis and frequencies on y-axis. Frequencies on y-axis. So first one, upper boundary and LCF. So upper boundaries. So first you write, this is the origin 0, 0 and you take the values. So that is 0, first 0, next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Next, I am taking 10 units. 10 units on y-axis. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now you write the scale. Here 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units on x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units on x-axis. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units on y-axis. Right? Now first one, 10, 5. So that is upper boundary is 10 and its LCF is 5. So first one is 10 and upper boundary is 10. Its less than cumulative frequency is 5. So here we have to make the point. Now this is 10, 5. Next one 20, 13. 20, 13. So 13 is approximately here. So 20, 13. Next one 30, 26. So 30 and 26 is 30, 26. Next 40, 38. 40, 38. Next 50, 47. 50, 47. Next one 60, 50. So 60, 50. 60 comma 50. Now you join the points. From where we have to join 10 to 60. So okay. So this is less than cumulative frequency curve. Less than LCFD. So this one is LCFD, or less than cumulative frequency distribution and less than cumulative frequency curve. Right? Next one. Second, GCFC. GCFC, greater than cumulative frequency curve. To draw this curve, we have to take the lower boundaries and greater than cumulative frequency. First 0 to 50. So 0 and 50. 0 comma 50. Next one 10 45. So 10 45. So 45 is in between 40 and 50. 10 comma 45. 20 37. 20 37 is 37 lies between 30 and 40. So 20 37. Next one 30 24. 30 24. So 24 is here. 24. Next 40 12. 40 12 is 12. 53. 53. 50 comma 3. Now join the points. Okay, where this is greater than cumulative frequency curve, GCFC, greater than cumulative frequency curve, where these two are meet at a point, where these two meet at a point is taken as the median of the given data. So you draw a perpendicular line to this and this one. So where these two are meet at a point, this is known as median of the group data. These graphs are known as Ogive curves. This is less than Ogive and this is more than Ogive. So where these two Ogives are meet at a point is known as median, and whose y coordinate value is n by 2. Okay, thank you.